Morning everyone. Today we'll start from here, chapter number 8, the Silk Road, Hornbill book. As hills started to push up once more from the rocky wilderness, we passed solitary drogbas tending their flocks. Here, in these lines, the narrator is describing about their path. Their path is full of rocks, rocky wilderness, more from the rocky wilderness. So their path is full of rocks, and the hills started to push up. As it looks like, ki the hills are getting higher and higher and higher. We passed solitary Dogbas. We means the group of narrator and his companion are all alone over there, and they are passing those Drogbas. Drogba's word here means the shepherds and tending their flocks, and these shepherds are tending their flocks. वो अपने flocks और group of animals को या crowd of animals को चरवा रहे थे. Sometimes men, sometimes women. um, on some places they saw men as the drogbas or as shepherds, and somewhere they are saying women as the shepherds. These well wrapped figures would pause and stare at our car. And these figures here, men, their figures means they are talking about men and women. They would pause when they saw the narrator and his companion. These men and women will pause and stare at our car, and they continuously stare means continuously looking at the car, occasionally waving as we passed. And occasionally they are waving their hands means they are saying bye to them when they pass from there. When the track took up close to their animals, the sheep would take evasive action, veering away from the speeding vehicle. When the track took up close to their animals, और जब उनकी जो कार है, जब वो एनिमल्स या शीप्स के झुंड के पास आ रही थी, एट दैट टाइम these sheep would take evasive action. They are taking some sudden evasive or some sudden action and veering away from the speeding vehicle. Or us speedy vehicle, that means narrator is talking about his car. Speedy vehicle से अपने आप को बचाते हुए they are taking some veering away. Veering away means they are taking, these sheep are taking some other way. We passed nomads, dark tents, pitched in splendid isolation, usually with a huge black dog, a Tibetan mastiff standing guard. These beasts would cock their great big heads when they became aware of our approach and fix us in their sights. As we continued to draw closer, they would explode into action, speeding directly towards us like a bullet from a gun and nearly as fast. In this paragraph, narrator is talking about we passed nomads dark tents. Here is talking about when their car is passed away through their nomads tent. In previous lines, they had to cross several high mountain passes, and they went across pastures or passing some gazelles and a great herd of wild asses and some drogbas or some shepherds, like they are having all these experience in this trip. We passed nomads' dark tents pitched in splendid isolation. When they pass these nomads are those people who are living their life with on they don't have a particular home or particular place to live. They move from one place to another for their live livelihood or like that. We pass nomads dark tents. So here जो nomads हैं उन्होंने जब उनके dark tents को पास किया, पिच्ड इन स्प्लेंडेड आइसोलेशन, सो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो अलग अलग से आइसोलेटेड से खड़े हुए हैं, usually with a huge black dog. And here, um, some huge black dog, which are Tibetan dogs, mastiffs, they are standing over there, standing guard. And these Tibetan dogs, they are as their standing guards near their tents. These beasts would cock their great big head, and these dogs look like a beast, and they cock their great big head. Cock their great big head means they're stiff, their big head, they're holding up their head very stiffly. When they became aware of our approach, and when these dogs are aware that some car or some people are approaching them, then and fix us in their sight. At that time, these dogs fix us, all those cars and peoples in their sight. तो वो अपनी निगाहों में या अपने आँखों में उन लोगों को फिक्स कर लेते हैं. एज वी कंटिन्यू टू ड्रॉ क्लोजर, एंड जैसे ही वो उनके पास या क्लोज पहुँचते हैं, when they are coming closer to them, they would explode into action. These dogs started acting, or started into action, or explode into action means they are reacting and speeding directly towards us, and they are like the bullet of the gun. So they are, as much speed they are having, so with that speed they are coming to them. And उनके ऊपर जैसे हम कहते हैं कि विद दैट बुलेट स्पीड they are trying to attacking them. These shaggy monster, black than the darkest night, usually wore bright red collars and barked furiously with massive jaws. They were completely fearless of our vehicle, shooting straight into our path, causing Zeton to brake and swerve. Here, the narrator is again talking about these dogs, that they are looking like shaggy monster, means they are looking like very dangerous monster looking like dogs, blacker than the darkest nights, and their color of the dog is very black, and usually wore bright red collar. Here the narrator is talking about the, जैसे हम बोलते हैं डॉग्स के गर्दन पर जो पहना होता है वो जिसे हम पट्टा बोलते हैं डॉग्स का इन हिंदी. So that red collars and barked furiously, and these dogs are barking furiously over all these people with their massive jaws, with their huge teeth. They were completely fearless, and these here in these lines narrator is talking about कि हमारी जो कार है उसका उन डॉग्स को कोई डर नहीं लगता, तो दे आर completely fearless of our vehicle. Here narrator is talking about their car shooting straight into our path. वो सीधा ही उनकी तरफ आते जा रहा है, causing Zeton to brake and swerve. और इसकी वजह से जो जैतन है उसको गाड़ी में ब्रेक लगाना पड़ता है और गाड़ी को मोड़ना पड़ता है. द dog would make chase for 100 meters or so far before easing off, and these dogs are chasing the car for about 100 meters, distance of 100 meters, and so before easing off. और उसके बाद वो जैसे ही उनका एरिया हैविंग सीन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी, हियर हैविंग सीन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स जो डॉग्स हैं वो अबाउट 100 meters डिस्टेंस तक उनको चेज करते हैं. आफ्टर दैट 100 meter डिस्टेंस दे नो अबाउट दैट देयर प्रॉपर्टीज till their 100 meters उनकी प्रॉपर्टी ख़त्म हो गई है. दे आर stop chasing those people or those car. It was not difficult to understand why ferocious Tibetan mastiffs became popular in China imperial court as hunting dogs brought along the Silk Road in ancient time as tribute from Tibet. Here narrator is talking about that this time he knows very well that why इन चाइना इम्पीरियल कोर्ट्स बादशाह के जो दरबार हैं उनमें वाई दीज हंटिंग डॉग्स, इन हंटिंग डॉग्स को शिकार पर ले जाते थे, वाई दे आर ब्रॉड दीज काइंड ऑफ डॉग ऑन द सिल्क रोड इन एंशिएंट टाइम, because of their behavior or because of their sudden actions, because of their speciality, the dogs or the breed speciality. So that is why time is due tribute from him. इसीलिए तिब्बत से उन्हें एज अ गिफ्ट इन या एज अ ट्रिब्यूट इन सिल्क रोड्स पर लाया जाता था अबाउट दीज डॉग्स. By now we could see snow-capped mountains gathering on the horizon. We entered a valley where the river was wide and mostly clogged with ice, brilliant white and glinting in the sunshine. The trail hugged its bank, twisting with the meanders as we gradually gained height and the valley's sides closed in. Here in this paragraph, Nat is talking about by now we could see snow-capped mountain. Now he's talking about they are reaching over a place where the mountains are, or the capped area of mountain are, or the topmost area of the mountain is covered with snow gathering on the horizon. और ये पहाड़ पर पूरी तरह दिख रहे थे और horizon क्षितिज पर दिखाई दे रहे थे. We entered a valley where the river was wide and mostly clogged with ice. And now they are reaching on some valley which is wider, wide and mostly clogged with ice. This valley is very wide, बहुत ही ज़्यादा wide valley थी and पूरी तरह that valley is clogged with ice. बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी. Brilliant white and glinting in the sunshine, and the brilliant white color which is glittering kind of or shining in the sunshine. The trail hugged its banks, और जो उनका जो रास्ता है the trail, उसके किनारों के उनका जो रास्ता है उसके एजेस पर या उसके पास पास में पूरा चल रहा था. Meanders, twisting with the meanders as we gradually gained the height, and जो नदी के घुमाव वाले रास्ते हैं उन पर पूरी तरह we gradually gained the height, धीरे धीरे वो लोग ऊपर चढ़ने लगे. और what will happen next? The valley sides closed in. ऐसा उन्हें दिख रहा था और it seems to be appear like that the valley is closer to them. So here in these line, when they entered a valley where the river was wide but mostly clogged with ice, and they are negotiating the sharp turns, they climbed away from the river. At a sharp bend, they encountered the snow in these lines. And here the Tibetan mastiffs were brought along the Silk Road in ancient time as a tribute from Tibet.